On to news just coming in, a minor blast has been reported near the Israeli embassy in the Indian capital, New Delhi. The blast was reported while the beating retreat ceremony was underway, marking the culmination of the Indian Republic Day celebrations. This embassy is located at Aurangzeb Road. The fire department officials have moved to the spot. At the moment, intelligence officials are also inspecting the site. Let's tell you what we know at this point. It was a call of fire breaking out at the site first. While the fire department was inspecting what happened and inspecting the site, a blast took off and another call was made. These are the latest images that we have for you from the site where a minor blast has been reported in the Indian capital at the Israeli embassy. The blast was reported while the beating retreat ceremony was underway just at a short distance away in the national capital. The ceremony marks the culmination of the Indian Republic Day celebrations. The fire department as well as the intelligence officials are now at the spot. This embassy is located at the Aurangzeb Road in the national capital, a heavily fortified area. The fire department officials have now also started inspecting the site. What we do know is that first a call was made regarding a fire breaking out, and once the fire department officials were at the spot, a blast was reported. The timing of the blast extremely significant, coming at a time when the beating retreat ceremony was underway in the national capital. So security at the moment has been heightened. Let's get in further details now from our correspondent Siddhant Sibal. Siddhant, what more do we know at this point?
Well, this is a developing story. We know the Delhi police has confirmed that a minor blast happened. In fact, the first visuals have started to come. The area has been cordoned off. Remember that there was in the past as well, around a decade or so, there was a blast near the Israeli mission. So, of course, the Israeli mission is a sensitive area, and a minor blast being reported will, of course, raise concerns. And that time, and that too, around the time when, of course, Delhi is on high alert in terms of high-profile events taking place. The Republic Day, it is a Republic Day week, and of course, even as the beating retreat, which is the final of the Republic Day celebration, was taking place, this blast was reported. So, of course, this raises concern. We do not know as of now the nature of the blast. What is the nature of the blast? We have been reaching out to the Israeli mission as well on the development, but by and large, we know that the police authorities have reached the area. The area had been cordoned off, and a few glass windows, the window panes have been broken because of the minor blast. But still, nonetheless, it is a cause of concern at a time when Republic Day is happening, the beating retreat is happening, and of course, we know the protests which happened earlier this week. Even as we speak, there are protests happening in the border areas of Delhi. But by and large, we still need to wait for the details of such kind of the development, what has happened, and what was the reason of the blast that has taken place. Immediately, usually, in such incidents happen, the local authorities jump into action. The fire department has been alerted. In fact, what we have been told that the intelligence officers are also being sent to the area to find the reason or the cause of the blast. But the big focus, of course, right now is to understand the nature of the blast and if anyone was hurt. We do not know as of now anyone being hurt in the blast, and the fact that the Delhi police has clarified that it was a minor blast, so it obviously reduces the level of anxiety as well. It wasn't a major cause, a major disaster in terms of the blast which is happening, but the fact that it has happened in a sensitive area where missions are located, because not just the Israeli mission is located on APJ Abdul Kalam Road, or previously known as Aurangzeb Road. There are other missions also located in that area. Obviously, it will be a concerning area for them as well. In fact, one of the major hotels where a lot of high-profile people stay, the Taj Hotel, is also.
हमारे साथ दमकल विभाग के अधिकारी हैं। हम
मीडिया भाई ये कैमरा नहीं चला पाऊंगा, तो ये कैमरा ले ले, तो कैमरा ले ले, मुझे कैमरे में मेरा।
हम जो है वहाँ से चले, जो यहाँ पहुँचे हैं, कनॉट पुलिस से आए जी, यहाँ पहुँचे हैं। यहाँ पहुँचे तो इस टाइम ये सारा एरिया कवर कर रखा था, आगे जाने से मना कर दिया। गाड़ी खड़ी है, हम तैनात खड़े हैं, अगर कोई बात होती है तो उसके लिए हम।
कॉल क्या आई थी?
कॉल ये आई थी कि बम ब्लास्ट हुआ है,
जनाब आपको वहाँ पर कुछ मिला क्या? स्पॉट पर आपको कुछ मिला?
स्पॉट पे हम गए, हमने नहीं।
हमारे साथ दमकल विभाग के अधिकारी हैं, हम
मीडिया भाई ये कैमरा नहीं चला पाऊंगा।
So that was a reaction coming in from the officials present at the spot. Our correspondent Siddhant has been also getting us a better sense of what happened. Siddhant, if we can just apprise the viewers of the sequence of events, what we know at this point is that a call was made to the fire department regarding a fire breaking out at the Israeli mission, post which this blast was reported. What more do we know at this point?
Well, as of now, we just know the fact that this was a minor blast, and of course, the big development is that the authorities have jumped into action. Other than the fact that the blast happened, the call in fact happened at around 5:45 p.m. There were some damage in terms of the wind screens of certain cars, around 3 or 4 cars being damaged in the explosion. Let me tell you that the time of the call was 5:45. It was the moment when the beating retreat was at its peak. At that time, this minor blast happened. So obviously, it raises concerns about the situation there. But as of now, it looks like the situation has been largely under control. There is no casualty in the blast. The big, of course, concern which arises is the fact that first, of course, it has happened in a very high-profile area, an area which was in the past as well targeted. We know that there was a blast about a decade ago near that area as well, near the Israeli embassy, and now again this has happened. As of now, it will be right to say that it is not said that some location or some area was the target of this blast. It is not known as of now. The only thing which is known clearly is that there was a low-intensity blast and it happened near the Israeli embassy. That is the only confirmed information that the authorities have told. There were no injuries reported. There were certain glass windows being broken off of the cars because of the intensity of the blast. Largely, that is the only confirmed news. The big, of course, focus will be to try to find out the nature of the blast. What was the reason that the blast happened? We know there is heavy security personnel present in the area right now. We are about to reach in like 2 minutes in that area to find out exactly what is happening. But the fact that the area has been cordoned off, it means that nobody can now go into that area. We know that fire brigades have also reached that area. There are sleuths on the ground who are trying to find out the reason of the blast. And the fact that the big focus is right now to investigate and find the nature of the blast. What was the reason of the blast? Because it can be some other reason as well. But the fact that the Israeli missions across the globe have been the target of the attacks have been something that obviously plays into the background, plays into the entire sequence of events. So this is a development of last around 45 minutes. We do expect more developments to more announcements, or perhaps the authorities coming out with detailed information on the entire incident which has happened. Now we are being told right now that the initial impressions are that there was a mischievous attempt to create a sensation. This is what the authorities are now telling us. There is also a confirmation that there are no injuries to anyone around in that vicinity of that area. There were just few damage in terms of the vehicles who were parked in the nearby area. The exact time now, what we are being told is that it happened at around 5:05 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and it happened near the Jindal House, which is nearby the Israeli mission here in the Indian capital, New Delhi. So largely, it looks like that there was a mischievous attempt to create some kind of sensation, and the fact that it is nearby Israeli embassy is grabbing the headlines, and it's of course now becoming a global headline as well. More and more international media channels are now breaking the story, but largely we know that this is a Republic Day week. This is a big week. Security is already tight in the national capital. We know what happened on Tuesday with the protesters reaching Red Fort. So after that, we know the number of measures taken by the local government, by the authorities here, by the Home Ministry, to make sure that there was no repetition of the incident which happened on Tuesday. But nonetheless, this incident has happened. So of course, it raises eyebrows on the reason of the entire incident. Now it looks like that there is an official statement as well of Delhi Police confirming the time at 5:05 p.m. Near the Jindal Jindal House and no injury being reported. So the good news, of course, is that there are no injuries being reported. Minor damage nearby the Israeli embassy. Exact location is Jindal House, where the incident has happened. But by and large, a sigh of relief, because now, of course, there is a confirmation that nobody was injured in the incident. So now we are waiting for perhaps a comprehensive statement by the Delhi police, and the fact that we know that right now it is a jam time for Delhi, and that area is a crucial area in terms of the officials leaving the entire the government offices. So we do expect jam in that area as well, because that area completely being cordoned off, because by and large we know that APJ Abdul Kalam Road connects the central Delhi to south part of Delhi. So that area being closed means a lot of jam as well. But that, of course, will not be a problem as of now, because authorities' big concern will to find out who was responsible for this minor blast in that part of Delhi, which is a very secured and sensitive part of Delhi, and that too coming at a time when we know that Delhi is India, in fact, is celebrating the Republic Day week.
Absolutely. For our viewers just joining us, a minor blast that was reported near the Israeli embassy in the Indian capital just when the beating retreat ceremony was underway. That marks the culmination of the Indian Republic Day celebrations. A heavily fortified area in the national capital. Security has been tightened given the fact that the ceremony was underway. What we do know at this point, as Siddhant, our correspondent, was also telling us, a minor blast that was reported. Fire department and intelligence officials at the spot. The situation somewhat under control. No casualties that have been reported at this point. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.